In a significant diplomatic breakthrough following the successful completion of the disengagement process last November, India and China have agreed on several measures to improve bilateral exchanges. These steps include resuming the Kailash Mansarovar Yatra in this year's summer, restoring direct flights between the capitals Beijing and New Delhi, issuing visas for journalists and think tanks, and working towards a sharing of transborder river data. The announcement was made in an official statement from India's Ministry of External Affairs on Monday. The decisions were made following a series of high level meetings between India's Foreign Secretary Vikram Misri and Chinese officials in Beijing, including Vice Foreign Minister Sun Weidong, Foreign Minister Wang Yi, and Minister of International Department of the Communist Party of China Liu Jianzhou. According to the MEA statement, these measures are in line with the agreement reached between Prime Minister Narendra Modi and President Xi Jinping in Kazan last October. The two sides reviewed the state of India China bilateral relations comprehensively and agreed to take people centric steps to stabilize and rebuild ties. While the statement did not specifically address the ongoing border situation, it referenced an incremental approach to resuming dialogues and addressing each other's priority concerns, indirectly acknowledging the sensitive border issue. Among the key points of the agreement, both countries decided to resume the Kailash Mansarovar Yatra with plans for the pilgrimage to begin in the summer this year. The relevant mechanisms will be tasked with finalizing the modalities in accordance with existing agreements. Another significant move was the decision to hold an early meeting of the India China expert level mechanism, which will discuss the resumption of hydrological data sharing and other cooperative initiatives related to trans border rivers. Both countries also agreed to facilitate people to people exchanges, including media and think tank interactions. An important development was the in principle agreement to resume direct air services between India and China, with technical authorities from both nations set to meet soon to negotiate an updated framework for this purpose. Additionally, the two sides recognized 2025 as the 75th anniversary of diplomatic relations between India and China. They agreed to use this milestone to ramp up public diplomacy efforts aimed at fostering mutual trust and awareness with a series of commemorative activities planned throughout the year. The statement also noted that economic and trade issues were discussed with both sides focused on resolving concerns and promoting long term policy transparency and predictability. In contrast to India's diplomatic stance, which has emphasized mutual respect, mutual sensitivity, and mutual interests, Chinese Foreign Minister Wang Yi framed the relationship using the concept of three mutuals, which is mutual avoidance of suspicion, estrangement, and exhaustion. He highlighted that improving China India relations is in fundamental interests of both countries and would contribute to global peace, stability, and prosperity.